Hi everyone. Today we are exploring breathtaking collection of Tanishq diamond rings featuring glamorous cocktail designs, elegant engagement pieces and statement rings that are sure to capture your attention. Now please note that diamonds are not investment like gold. Let's start with the first tray. I'm showing you the most minimal design first. It has little specks of diamond and perfect for daily wear. Today, I am not showing you the product code, that is the management decision of the store, but I am showing you the weight and diamond details. With that, you can roughly estimate, and you can also call the store. I'll be leaving the number in description. If you want more details, you can always call them. Now, this little number, it is called close setting. Close setting diamonds have the most brilliant diamonds with most best clarity and best color. And this is how it looks. See how brilliantly it shines on my finger. The first thing that stands out about this collection, it's incredible brilliance and variety of designs. Many of these rings today are designed to be, statement pieces, featuring just eye-catching silhouettes, intricate setting, dazzling diamonds that beautifully reflect the light. Like this. See? It's just so shiny, and that is why I've taken a close up of this one. You can even see the split shank with two little dotted diamonds. Now this one, it is a minimal ring featuring a star pattern in the center, surrounded by tiny little grains of diamond. It looks very sophisticated. If you're on a budget, this could also be a perfect engagement ring for you. Now this one, I loved this one. It gives the look and feel of a solitaire. It also stands at a height. You can see that the center stone is raised from the regular band height. And this is how it looks. This is what I mean when I say it stands taller than the rest of the rings. I love the wavy design and the pave band here with little specks of diamond. That gives it a very luxurious feel. Now this one features a tiny little marquee and pear-shaped diamond that gives it a very ethereal feel, nature-inspired ring, very Pinteresty feel. See, if you are a Pinteresty girl, this can be your engagement ring. This can be your cocktail ring too. Look at how beautiful it looks. Most of the rings today are of size 12. If you want to customize it according to your size, you can always do that. Now this one has a cathedral setting, meaning the shank, it comes upwards towards the center stone. I love the little pave bands, 3 bands, and it gives a very royal, rich feel. It looks really expensive, this one. See how it looks like a solitaire. Even I was confused looking so closely. It was almost looking like a solitaire. This one features a halo design, cute little ring. I could use this as an everyday ring. I really liked it. And this is the try-on for you. See how elegant it looks, just effortless. It can be your bridal ring. It can be your daily wear ring as well. The next one is an evil eye design. It is supposed to ward off all the evil eye. Let me know, do you believe in that stuff, nazar and all? See, it's very cute though. I love the band on this one. It has a wavy pattern and a split shank just at the center. This is another evil eye design. Again, this looks like a solitaire. But you can see there are little milligrains of diamonds in the center as well as on the little eye shape of the ring. And this is how it looks. I loved both the evil eye designs. Let me know if you believe in evil eye and wearing such a design will ward off, all the evil eye. Let me know in the comments. Let's chat. The next one, this one is a mini solitaire. It's a tiny solitaire of 18 cents. But look at the design. It has a wavy band and this one punches above its weight. Look at the detail. Even in my ring finger, it looks really cute. Just like a perfect little solitaire. The next one is tiny minimal design. I just love the, just it is, this is the only ring which I found, which was my size. This was of size 6, I guess. And this is how it looks. I almost, impulsively bought this, but that is not how I shop. I always shop via scheme because that is the smartest way. I had to control my impulses so much. And look at this dramatic ring. It can be a bold cocktail ring. It can be, a classic engagement ring. It's just timeless. The center one, it looks like a solitaire, but it is four little round shaped diamonds. The diamonds at the side, the long elongated ones, they are baguette diamonds. And it is also speckled with tiny little grains of diamond on the tips of the ring. And this is how it looks. I love the dramatic look of this one. If you're an it girl, this is your ring. The next one is quite simple but very elegant and very timeless. This one, it feels very romantic. I don't know why I'm saying it, but it does feel so romantic, this ring. And this is how it looks. See, a thin band with a larger looking stone. It's perfect if you are, looking for a gift. And this one, I loved this one. I love the geometry on this one. It is very strong, and when you wear it, it just looks so classic. It is minimal, but it is also statement. This is what I mean when I say it is minimal and statement. Now that we are almost halfway through the video, let me know, did you like the daily wear ring, or did you love the bold and dramatic ring, or did you love the elegant bridal ring? Like this one, very feminine, very soft diamond ring with a split shank. And see, it looks so much, it covers so much of your finger. Perfect as engagement ring. It can be perfect as anniversary gift as well. Because an engagement ring is one of the most meaningful pieces of jewelry a person can own, and it is always fascinating to see different design approaches that capture that sentiment. Look at this one. It's very statement kind of ring. The center one, it looks like a solitaire, but again, it is not a solitaire. And this is the try-on for you. It looks perfect as a band ring, which you can wear it on your middle finger or your ring finger. It is going to look awesome. Now this ring features it kind of looks like those Pinteresty rings that I have seen, featuring 3 diamonds with halo, with its own individual halo. And this is the try on for you. You can also use this ring as a, to add on to your ring stack. If you're completing a certain milestone, you can go for such rings. It is going to look amazing. Now this little nature inspired design, I love the tiny little pave on the band. See how beautiful it looks, and the 3 leaf with little gold dots. I loved this ring. It's very feminine. This can be your everyday ring, or you can wear it to parties, but I don't think this can work as your engagement ring. But this one can work as your engagement ring. It is dual toned, and look at the amount of work that has gone into this ring. It looks like a huge solitaire. It looks like a rock. It stands at a height, and this is how it looks. I almost thought that this is a ring meant for men, but it was in the women's section, and my friend at Tanishq told me that it is a ring meant for women. I loved this ring. This ring reminds me of Bella's ring. If you have watched Twilight, you know what I'm talking about. See, does it look like Bella's ring? Let me know in the comments. I have watched Twilight as a teenager, and I I used to love that movie, but now it's a meme fest. It's almost so funny. Still, I like them. I love this one. It looks like a little clover. The square shape in the center makes it look, it gives a very nice geometry to it. And this is how it looks. Nothing too, special. It's a cute little cocktail ring, but I don't think this is going to work as your bridal ring. It is too big for daily wear. This one is cute. I loved this one. If you're into like statement rings, which you can wear on a day-to-day basis, this one is your ring. I love the, little waves they made with gold and they dusted it with diamond. It looks amazing. I love this one. It has such a sophisticated appeal about this one. It almost looks like so romantic. I don't know why. See, it has a nice presence. This one is perfect for special occasions, perfect for celebrations and festive events. This one too. Look at this one. This is a nice cocktail ring. I loved the leafy pattern out there and two little cathedral they have given to support the structure of the ring. Tanishq really pays so much attention to detail in their craftsmanship and it really comes through in the final product. Now this one is so beautiful. It looks like an oval solitaire in the center. And I also loved the thickness of the shank on this one. It is a strong ring. It looks delicate, soft and feminine and romantic with rose gold. But see, it's so pretty. I loved this one. This one is so cute. I mean, like, just look at the size of the ring, right? But when I wear it, it is going to look so grand. See? It looks grand, right? If you're just lifting it with your fingers, it looks tiny, but when you wear it, it makes a statement. I love that about rings, jewelry that surprises you. This one, it is such a lovely ring. I have gifted similar ring to my sister with my, not my first salary, but from the salary that I earned, within the first few months of working. And it looks so nice. It's such a nice cocktail ring. This one, the tiny diamond that you see, that is actually a mini solitaire. I think this one is almost 20 cents. You can see that you can find similar rings in Tanishq in gold as well. And this is how it looks. Perfectly stackable with other rings. I loved this design. It's so good. Now this one features a half and half pattern. It also looks like halo in the center. I personally would not go for this, but that is just my opinion. And this is how it looks. Not bad at all. But this is not my choice. Now this one, it looks, have you seen the latest Tamanna Bhatia designs? Don't you think that this looks a little bit similar to that? And this is how it looks when I wear it. And now that brings us to end of today's collection. Tell me in the comments below which one was your favorite and brides to be. Did this video help you? Were you able to pick a beautiful engagement ring for yourself? Please like and subscribe. Bye.